Welcome, today in front of me Realme Pad, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application, and here on the search pool type the Ampere app. So now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. And here I'll just change the position of my tablet to show you. So now just here click yes I agree, here pick close, and okay, we'll back, and here on the left side tap to the OK. And now as can you see, we got here all the information about our battery, and we're interested in know the temperature of the battery. That's 29 degrees. And also we got here the health of our battery, the level, the model of our device, and Android version. So and more other information. That's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.